Okay, hi everyone. I've literally just come back from the gun shop, picked up the new toy, the new rifle. So I guess you know what it is from the description, but yeah, here it is. Comes in quite a basic case, but very sort of nice. But I just want to do a quick opening of it and show you what it is and what I think before I get into putting a scope on it and cleaning the barrel and getting it all ready to go shooting out in the field. So let's open it up first of all. And this is just a very quick video because I've literally not got anything out. So there it is. Look at that. So FX Crown Mark II. This is in .22 and it's an FAC rated gun in the UK here, so 12 foot-pound is the legal limit unless you have an FAC firearm certificate, and this one is. So this one is an FAC in the black pepper laminate stock, which I'm sure I'm going to live to regret once I mark it, but it was so beautiful, so nice I couldn't resist it. Should have got the black tactical one for out in the field, but that is so nice. So yeah, and this is how it comes in the box. You got a nice, get a nice manual with it, and it does look to be specific to FX Crown Mark II or FX Crown, so rather than a generic manual, so that's okay. And simply Foster fill probe to go on your air source, and the side shot. I think it's an 18 shot in 2.2 magazine. So let me get these things out of the way and give you a much closer look at it and what we've got. Literally just come out of the car and come in the house. So FX Crown Mark II. Now this is the 400mm barrel, so it's only a tiny barrel on this one, but look at the length of it just with that. I mean, I think it ends just before the end of the shroud, the actual 400mm barrel, somewhere around sort of there-ish. But it's already just lovely and manageable at this size. Any bigger than that, and it won't be. So this is primarily going to be my pellet gun in FAC, or that's the idea of it, but I will give slugs a go, of course. Look at that lovely stock. Now, I had a look at a few, and I was considering the Daystate Red Wolf, but it was a little bit more money, I believe, and also I just didn't. This one with that kind of pistol grip stock, that is just perfect for me. It just wasn't quite, didn't feel quite as nice as the other one. But to be honest, the FX had everything I kind of wanted with the adjustability and the barrels and everything with it. So I'd already really made my mind up to have the FX Crown. So this is just straight out of the box. So very quickly, adjustable butt pad up and down, side to side, 3D they call it, or something like that I think. Just by undoing the Allen key, and with this butt pad off there's some other in there. Adjustable cone, simply through that little Allen key there. Now that cone is beautifully finished. I don't know if you can pick it up on here. The way that little just swoops out there when it goes down to there. And it's also can be moved side to side slightly, I found out, because when I picked it up out of the box it was slightly misaligned right along the edge here. And I thought, oh, so I lifted it out, and there's 2 screws in there which allows you to push it slightly, to cant it side to side, move it side to side. But I've just straightened it out and just sort of eyed it up for myself like that. But yeah, simple Allen key through there to adjust that. That is a beautiful feeling grip, that. That's a perfect shape. A lovely bit of stippling on it. This black laminate is too nice for coming out in the field, but it will be used for squirreling and rabbiting at some point. So the Mark II, yep, comes with the Picatinny rail on it now, with I believe 20 MOA built into it, which if it was a 12 foot-pound wouldn't really matter, but being FAC, that's pretty good for me then, so it'll give me more clicks on my scope, I guess. But I'm not going to be shooting it a million miles. I'll see how it goes, but I can't imagine me shooting it more than 100 yards for sure, maybe with a slug in it or something. But yeah, Picatinny rail, lovely. Adjustable port, adjustable hammer spring, side lever cocking, very smooth. Safety, very nice, simple on. Safe like that in the field when you want to fire, just and away you go. Lovely. 2 gauges, bottle pressure and regulator pressure. Fill it up just through there. Standard Foster port, I think they call it. And to adjust the regulator, just through that little hole there with an Allen key on this one. 480cc carbon fibre bottle, way more than enough than I'll need when I'm sort of out hunting. You know, I'm lucky if I take 20 shots when you're hunting, if you know what I mean, very lucky. But it will be good for when I get it set up, and be nice when you're out plinking and having a little bit of fun. I should get a good amount of shots even in FAC, but that's yet to find that out. So this one, the Mark II, keep saying it, there it is, Mark II, does have the, I can quickly show you, it comes with a FX moderator if you like on it, but it's just that hollow shroud, hollow tube, but it actually works very effective. It's a very effective for what it is. But this one, if I can open it, the shroud will undo, look at that. Comes with the super light barrel system, look at that. And it has, I don't even pick it up there, smooth twist superior liner as standard, so that'll be perfect. This new system for seating the liners looks really good. And this one also has, I can't take it out and show you because I need to, obviously it has the new seating system for the barrel with the 4 Allen keys to that side, but where the pellet goes in, this one has the rotatable or turnable barrel with the pellet and slug liner ports on it. So the big round one in FAC for pellet, and the 2 long ones with a little bridge slot for FAC slugs. So that's really nice. Trigger, I have dry fired it a few times already. I can't imagine me changing it, even though it's multi-adjustable. It's just perfect out the box. So first impressions is, of course, it's beautiful. The only one thing I've got to moan about, okay, is it's an awful lot of money for this gun. in anyone's money, dollars, pounds, whatever, euros, and it's got no sling studs on it. Well, I would really like to have a sling stud on it for that sort of money. It can't take much more to do that. I know it's a bit difficult maybe in laminate, you know, that might be the worry, but I'm going to need to put a sling on it for when I'm walking around. Even though it's very light, I would have liked to have seen some sling studs on it. So there you go. And like I say, look at that. That's the 400mm barrel one, and the proportions are really nice like that. You've seen those 700mm ones, and you can almost whack a rabbit on the head with it from your hide. It's so long. But that's really nice. I might try. You know, it's quite affordable to buy a new liner, a new barrel liner on it. Maybe see if I can construct my own shroud. That would be good. But yeah, what a lovely rifle. Just picked it up. I'm just going to work on it now. I'm going to clean the barrel, put a scope on it if my mounts are tall enough. I've got some medium Hawk match mounts. I'm not sure if they're going to be enough to bridge this. So there is the later or newer side shot magazine. Just rotate that, cover comes off. Turn it round, fill it up. Really nice, really simple, really easy. But it is, when it's on, I'm going to have to cock it now to put him in there. So it is quite high when it's on the rifle, the magazine, yeah? So I'm not 100% sure if the mount I've got that I've taken off of another rifle are going to be big enough. That's going to be a downer if it isn't, because I'm going to have to wait and go and buy some high mounts for it. But yeah, 18 shot magazine I think it is. Really nice, really good. Nice magazine like that. Going to dry fire it now so you can hear it, because I've just had to cock it to do that, and that is so smooth, really nice. So standard FX shroud, standard FX moderator on the end, and this is an FAC. It's probably going to sound really loud in my kitchen, but safety off. There you go. Lovely trigger, absolutely lovely trigger on it. So let's have one last look at it. That beautiful laminate stock. Nice carbon fibre bottle. Straightforward shroud moderator. That stock not only looks so beautiful, but is so effective to hold. It's absolutely perfect, especially with the adjustable cheek pad, although mine normally stay pretty low, but because of the high mounts I might have to put on, I might need to pop it up a bit to get good eye relief and everything on it. But look at that, really good. Can't wait to get out and test it. Just take a look at that, beautiful. Totally ambidextrous stock, although the cocking is obviously that side, but it can very easily be shot left or right handed. There you go. FX Crown Mark II. I guess it won't be long before a Mark III or something comes out, because the Ergon technology is going at a rate of knots, as you all know at the moment. But that's a beautiful rifle. Beautiful. Can't wait to get out and use it. I'll come back to you maybe once I've got the scope and everything on it and I've taken some shots. Thanks very much.